How to see phone number in Android. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap on the My Phone or About Phone option. Then scroll down and select Status or Phone Information. Now, tap on SIM status, and if you're using a dual SIM phone, choose SIM 1 or SIM 2. Once you open it, you'll see your phone number displayed on the screen. If your number doesn't appear, it may not be saved on your SIM card. In that case, you can check it from your Contacts app or by dialing a code provided by your network. And that's it. That's how you can easily see your phone number on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.